Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. What's really happening, guys? It seems like the market is just melting. So we are going to start with DXY. So what's really happening? Nothing much. I think it's earnings season. There are companies which are actually releasing their earnings. So we'll actually check that later on. So this is just a quick update, guys. With the market did not really change much, but what I've seen very interesting is actually gold. It was just flying, but when I check DXY, it was still, guys, it was still pushing up. So sometimes this can confuse other traders because we expect when DXY is pushing lower, we expecting to see, sorry, when it's pushing higher, we expecting like the likes of gold to also push lower, but the market is just doing the opposite. But besides confusing ourselves, yes, we are still actually on a very nice uptrend. I'm still expecting to see actually DXY pushing to the upside, so this might actually hit or actually see some aggressive push when it comes to USD. So I did not really forget. You can easily see that today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So we see that we have unemployment claims around 2:30. Later on, around 6, we're going to see Powell speaks. So this is going to actually change the way the market moves. I think we're going to see some consolidation because we know that it's going to talk about what we should expect from the interest rates, and if they sound like bull, like they still going to increase, that might not actually sit well with the market. But if they sound like, okay, we're still going to pause, or maybe we can cut next year 1, 2, 3, maybe that will boost the market to recover. But by the way, we are actually pushing towards December. Maybe we're gonna have a change in the market, but there is nothing we can do now. I think the market today, we will expect to see the market moving very nice, but I think I'm expecting a nice sell, but we will see. Maybe unemployment change will change that. So on CNBC, I was trying to check some high impact news or some updates. Actually, I can see here, you can see, firstly, you can see Powell here. Yeah, this is what we actually expecting, and other economic news that can actually help the market or help us to have the right decisions. But for now, I don't think there's much that I can check on CNBC. You can just go through everything here. I think everything is just given. So let's minimize that and push to the next one. SDXY, it is still on that bullish momentum. For those who wants to be part of the team, there is my QR code. You can scan that on your WhatsApp, then you can be part of the team. Whether you want lifetime subscription, it's actually $99, which you pay once, 12 months, $79. The other ones you can see there. So yeah, let's go back on our analysis. GBP I'm just going to be as fast as I don't really see much of a change. So on the on GBP we can still see that yes, the market is still actually continuing on a downtrend, but what I see here is the market already created sort of a support, and we saw that the market is respecting that area. So there is a chance for the market to respect that and push up before we see another push lower. But what I have realized is, or what we should realize is, the market is actually still on the downtrend. So we might still see the market pushing even lower. Yes, this is a support, but it's a counter trend line or counter support in support. So it's not really that strong. Yes, sometimes the market can respect that, and yes, we might still see the market breaking that. There's nothing surprising about that, but we still have a resistance. A perfect one is not really broken, so it means we still actually on a very, very strong actually downtrend. So we still downtrending. Where we are now, we just have to relax and see if maybe the market is breaking out. If it's breaking out, we can say, okay, let's hit a sell there and hit and run. If it reaches this area, maybe we might take out if it's not going to break, but there is a chance for the market to bounce back. So the best way is to be extra careful when we are going to sell, but the safer sell is going to be around this area. Then we can hold that a bit longer. So let's push to the next one. Which is actually Gbpusd. So yeah, I can also see that on Gbpusd, we are still actually on that aggressive, not really aggressive, but we are still on a very nice sell. Around this area, I think I saw sort of a resistance. But where we are now, I can also see that we have a counter support there. Not really that strong, but the market is still respecting that. The market can break that anytime, but just because we still on this downtrend, we are actually trying to find where we can sell. And the best way is going to be actually on the highest area as we're going to sell, right? So we have to sell when the market is high and buy when the market is a bit lower. So something like that. So I'm expecting to actually sell around this areas, and if it breaks, it means maybe we can just wait for a proper breakout, then we can continue selling, or maybe the market will be bouncing back again. So this is actually a very quick update. The best thing that you can do on this channel, as we're helping this channel to grow, you can smash that subscribe button. You're helping the channel to grow, and maybe 1 or 2 people are actually learning from this channel, right? So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening? Yes, the market is still actually on a downtrend. You can see that most of these pairs are actually downtrending, but it's because the dollar is stronger. The dollar is stronger. If euro is on the right, on the left hand side, and the dollar is stronger, the dollar gets stronger, then the market will be pushing lower. If the euro is stronger, it's obvious that it's going to push up, right? So we see that, and we see that the market is doing what? Is pushing even lower, which means we are actually on a downtrend. And what we can do now is to look for where are we going to take those sell positions. Maybe the market will bounce back again, then we can look forward for another sell position. But for now, I think the market is just playing around this zone here, unless if maybe you had an entry before. But for now, I think the market will just be playing around. So I don't think maybe we should try even to do anything. But on the bottom side, we have a support. The market can still reach this area, but around this area there is also a counter support, but the market can still break that. But this one is the stronger one. This is the stronger one, and we're waiting for the market to do what? To break that. If not, maybe the market will go back on that resistance. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? Let's just go on a daily time frame just to see what's really happening on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, I think is quite straightforward. The picture that I'm trying to show you, or the chart that I'm trying to show you, you can see that we had a proper downtrend, but now the market is breaking out of that, and this is a daily time frame. But I think you see this area here and here, I think it makes sense. You can see I drawn my resistance there, so that it's something. So that's why I'm just waiting for the market to break a proper break there before we say we're going to buy. But on a 4 hours time frame, it's still actually, we just need to wait a little bit before actually we just still need to wait a little bit. Let's go. When we go closer, you can see that this area, it makes sense, and we are here. Do you see that? So for us to say we need to jump on that buy, let's wait for the market to break this resistance. We can wait a little bit here maybe, then we can say, okay, maybe it's time for us to buy, or even a bit higher. Why? Because the market can reverse very quick and we might see a nice sell there. So let's just wait. We can see the market is trying to consolidate there, but it seems like the dollar, sorry, gold, it's very strong, but there is nothing we can do. I thought maybe yesterday we had a sell pending order. I thought maybe the market was going to maybe respect that, and it did respect, but it did not actually push even lower. But we just need to wait and see. Later on, we're going to have jobless claims, and Powell is going to speak. That will change the way that we see the market. Maybe things will change very quick. Whether the market is going to push the upside or maybe the market is going to reverse. We will see what will happen, right? So we don't really have to guess. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US30. So on US30, as we've been actually on a downtrend, you saw that the market is been downtrending for quite some time. I've been repeating this for quite some time, but where we are, the market is no longer moving that much. So which means we need that push. We need a push, guys. This is actually a consolidation. So we need a proper push for the market, whether to continue pushing lower or maybe to bounce back before, and then maybe we can have another sell. But for now, it seems like the market is still struggling as the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So where we are now, we actually have a proper support. After the market broke out of that counter resistant, the market was going a little bit lower. I will just do it like that, it's fine. So the market is now playing around this area. So now we are back on the structure. Actually, it's a support. So on top there we have a resistance. So we're just waiting for the market to actually break one of the two. If it breaks this support, obviously we will look for what? For a sell. If not, it means maybe the market will be trying to push the upside. Then we still have a resistance on top there. Then maybe the market will respect that. If not, obviously we will see a breakout and we can jump on that and we'll say, you know what, maybe now the market is tired of this downtrend. But I can't say I'm expecting anything. But since we are actually on a downtrend, I will say, okay, I'm still waiting for some proper barking, some proper reversal, right? Or some proper structure. So now we are actually on Nasdaq, still quite the same, but it seems like the market is trying to push the lower side. If you check where we are now, the market created something actually before. It's a resistance, but besides that, you can see that yes, the market, as I repeated several times, the market is downtrending, boom, 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 like something like that. So I'm expecting maybe the market to break that and push lower, but it seems like the market for now, it will be respecting this area. I'm expecting the market to respect this area and keep pushing maybe to the upside. Maybe we're gonna have maybe a nice retest there, then the market might push, or maybe the market will break this maybe later on, or I don't know, but we just need to be extra careful. But the problem is where we are now is actually at the center, so there is enough room actually for the market to just consolidate. So we need to be safe, guys. We need to be safe. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So for those who wants to be part of the team, there it's my services, guys. There it's my services. If you want to just try my services, $10. If you need lifetime, it's $99. 12 months, $79. Very quality, some very good quality signals. If you want to be part of the team, either you can just WhatsApp me here or Telegram me here, or just scan this QR code, then we can talk and say, Kenzo, I need to join. I have the money, I can join. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe so that I can keep sending these signals for you. This analysis for you day in, day out. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.